When you get finished here, please go check out our TikTok and Instagram. And while you're there, please give us a follow. Thank you. Hi, everybody. Devin here from Let's Head Out. Today, we're going to go to Chattanooga, Tennessee. And we also went to Cleveland, Tennessee to a couple of Michaels. We're trying to find mystery boxes that they had there. So, yeah, let's head out. We're going to walk in here to this Michael's, and this is the Michael's in Cleveland, Tennessee. We're going to walk in here and see if they have any mystery boxes for their with their stuff. So yeah. All right, so they only had one left here, so we didn't get it because it didn't feel too heavy. So we're going to head on to Chattanooga and see if the Michaels at Hamilton Place actually has any. I called yesterday and they said they had 10 available, so we're going to go see if they have any more. So yeah.
Alrighty, so we stopped at Seven Brews. And we got, well, I got the cinnamon roll. Devin got the smooth 7. And Amelia got the Irish blondie. So let's get this thing and test it. The lid wasn't all the way on.
Actually, I've got 5 miles.
Ooh, that's pretty good.
To Shallowford Road, so I guess I'll just stay right here.
What'd you do? Leak it everywhere.
The lid's not on all the way.
Uh-oh.
Love that.
So what'd you get?
I got the cinnamon roll like I normally do. Well, sometimes I trade it up. I just can't get away from the cinnamon roll.
Well, the Irish blondie is pretty good too.
Yeah, smooth 7's good.
So how's yours, Amelia?
Very good.
That's good. Now we are headed to Michael's to see if they have any of the $5 mystery boxes.
Mystery box quest.
Alrighty. We will check back again when we get to Michael's.
Alright, so we're going to walk in here to Michael's and see if this Michael's has any. Like I said, I called yesterday and they said they had 10, so I don't know if they have any more or not. We're going to try to get a few, maybe a couple. So yeah.
That this time it won't be all flour.
All right, so we made it home. We have the boxes here. So who's going to start first?
You're more than welcome to start first.
I don't know. Hannah's been bugging Amelia about it all day.
Go ahead, Hannah.
Go. Open.
I actually picked this box out myself.
You did pick it out, so I didn't pick it out this time.
Because I didn't want Hannah to pick my box out because I didn't want just flowers.
Flowers
I'm just going to
anyway.
tape off of mine.
So these boxes in Chattanooga were $5 a piece. The box that we saw in Cleveland was $10 for some reason. So price, is that what it is? Price gouging?
100%.
So anyways, we decided to wait on that one box that we saw in Cleveland, and we found these in Chattanooga. All right, so we got the scissors.
I'm just getting the tape off of my box.
I see a flower in there.
I see light bulbs. Oh.
Okay, it's not just
So it's
flowers.
Christmas. It's Christmas
Yes.
stuff.
Oh, these are pretty ornaments.
So there's
So these
four.
can go in the camper. Put on our little mini tree. That's cute.
There's not enough room in that little tree for all those ornaments.
Some ribbon.
Different types of ribbon.
I'm not sure what I can use this for.
Oh, that's fluffy.
Oh, that is fluffy. There's two sequins ones with sequins. We'll probably do something. Oh, some Christmas cards
Christmas cards.
and poinsettias and more poinsettias. Mini ones.
Darker poinsettias.
Mm-hmm. And what? Oh my goodness, this is so cute. It's vintage.
Oh yeah, I do
Well,
like
it
that.
looks vintage. That's really cute.
That's adorable.
I do like that.
And it says more Christmas.
And more ornaments. We cannot use these. Our trees are
Yeah,
never that
no.
big.
We could hang them outside.
Yeah, that'd
Earring
be cute.
hooks.
Make good outside ornaments, huh?
Yeah,
Got some earring hooks on them.
That's a good idea.
very cute.
Earrings.
And this is making spirits bright
All right, more cards.
and making some more. Okay. Oh, these are nice little bows. We can use these.
Yeah, for
In
our
our booth.
for our table. Yeah,
Yeah.
we could use those
Craft stuff.
Christmas ornaments for our booth too.
And we always need boxes.
Oh, shirt boxes.
This is very nice. This is a very nice box.
Yeah, it's
I
a lot
really
better than
enjoyed
your.
this
It was
box.
a lot better than your last one.
Yes, it was. I mean, these are shirt boxes.
That's what happens when you
Very
don't let
good.
Hannah pick.
Yeah. I'm glad it wasn't all flowers. That
Don't ever let me have that down.
All right, Hannah.
Alright. Alright.
Oh my gosh,
Okay.
that's hilarious.
sugar cookies. Oh
So I have
my
one. I have 5 boxes.
No, 6.
6!
What?
6 boxes of sugar cookies.
Yeah.
Okay, I saw the candy canes, alright? I saw those. 1,
Oh, they're the good ones
Two.
too.
3, 4,
We'll have to figure out something to
5,
do with candy canes.
6, 7,
Oh my land. You should,
9.
8, 9.
You should do like some brownies.
That is crazy.
The
Yeah.
Candy
That'd be
canes.
good.
9 boxes
Oh,
of candy canes. I'll take one of those to my room.
Gracious.
And then we have 2 little books.
Aww.
2 books.
Elf-tastrophe.
Books.
Wow.
That's
a-
cute.
Oh, it's the elf on the shelf.
Elf on the shelf, yeah.
And then a little sweetheart toy.
Sweetheart toy.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, I remember these.
Let me see.
As a little kid.
Ooh, that's pretty.
That's kind of cool.
Oh, I got 3
Here you
of
go.
these.
3 of those. Save that. I don't have any amazing
Thank
ones.
you. Those are mine.
It's mesmerizing.
Keep it sweet. It
A
says.
pack of soft.
Soft peppermints.
Love that. That is mine.
Can I see that?
This is all you're seeing.
Ooh, Redbird.
She didn't even let you touch it.
Redbird's good.
Okay, and then there's 2 of these.
Holiday mug kits. Well, Hannah got her a mug.
Too early for wine. Too late for coffee.
Is that what it says? Too
Yeah,
early for wine, too late for
and
coffee?
too late for
Listen,
coffee.
there is no late time for coffee.
Let me see.
No wait time for coffee.
So the wine glass says too late for coffee, and the coffee cup says too early for wine. And it comes with a cappuccino mix and spiced sangria mix. You just have to add alcohol.
Well, you could
And
just
water.
add ice to it, couldn't
You
you?
just have to add alcohol and water.
If you didn't want alcohol in it, you could just add ice
Yeah,
and make it like a slushie.
you could. Yeah. So that was all that was in yours?
Yes, that is all that was in mine.
All right.
Hey,
I
this
think
was
those.
pretty good.
I think those were better boxes than
I
the
think
last
I
ones that we got.
think so.
Y'all are learning how to pick them better.
Well, it's all about the weight.
all
No,
about the
it's
all
not.
about the weight.
It is not, because the other one had a lot of weight, but it was those
There
four
was 4 candles in that one.
All I knew was that Hannah shook every box on that cart,
and
there was no
9
less than
boxes.
like 12 or 13.
So I narrowed it down to like 2 boxes. So I think I picked them. Okay.
That's hilarious.
I'm happy with my box.
I'm happy with mine.
I mean, these shirt boxes were worth it.
Oh yeah,
Let's see, how much were they? It doesn't have a price. I don't know how much they were, but I bet if I would have bought just the shirt boxes alone, probably would have been over $5.
that's what I'm thinking.
Because shirt boxes are not very cheap.
No, very nice.
I mean, in all Hannah's candy canes.
Hey, that is 9 boxes of candy canes right there. 9 boxes.
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious.
Yeah, I really do like this. This is really pretty.
Is that Elf on the Shelf too?
No, this is Keep It Sweet.
Keep it sweet.
No.
Nope, these are off on the shelf.
That's what it says. Keep It Sweet. It doesn't have a...
So.
It doesn't really have a name on it.
All right.
It's probably
So
just Michael's brand.
all right. So that was our.
Is this one? Oh, this one does the same thing.
Yeah, it's a heart though. It's for Valentine's Day.
Okay, well, that's pretty neat.
Are those cookies still in date?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah, these are still in date. They go out next year.
Best before July 31st.
July 31st, 2026.
Yeah, so let's try one.
Oh, eat me a cookie. I do want to take a box of those peppermints to my room.
Smells good.
Sometimes you just need some peppermint.
Tastes like sugar cookie.
With sprinkles?
Mm-hmm. Pretty good.
Yeah, they're not stale. That's the main thing.
Well, this is March.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
3 months.
yeah, almost the end of March.
You got 3 months to eat all those cookies. Take a mama box down there. She'll help you eat them. All right. So that was our Michael's mystery box unboxing. Part 2. This was number 2 of... We've already unboxed 1, so... we were going to buy 4 boxes, but we couldn't find 4 that we actually liked, so we just got the 2.
And we didn't want to be greedy.
You didn't want to be greedy. You want to save some for everybody
Yeah.
else, so...
Plus, I didn't want another box full of flowers. So...
We figure out something to do with all those artificial flowers.
Poinsettias. These are poinsettias.
Start making reefs or something.
No.
All right, that wraps the video up. All right, so that wraps this video up. Thank you for watching. If you're watching our videos and haven't subscribed, please subscribe. With that and watching other videos are the best 2 ways for me to ask you to help support our channel. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. It really means a lot to my family and I, and to the future of our channel. If you'd like to help us monetarily, there are a couple options in the description box below the video. One of those is Buy Me a Coffee. And while you're there in the description box, don't forget to check out Epic Water Filters. And if you decide to buy one, don't forget to use code Let's Head Out 15 to save 15% off your purchase. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Please don't forget to ring the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. And while you're here, please give us a share. So I guess that wraps this video up. So until next time, let's head out together. See ya!